Mr. Carve's first Kickstarter campaign has obtained enormous support from a great many backers, and the M1 laser engraver's excellent performance has received wide praise. The latest M3 laser engraver and cutter, which evolves from M1 with breakthrough technologies, capable of carving metal and almost all types of materials in large areas, bringing all your projects to life. From business card to license plate, and all kinds of items in between, there is virtually nothing that can be engraved with M3. With 4 heightening blocks, M3 has overcome size limitations, providing engraves on much taller and larger objects, swap blue or red laser heads to suit your specific engraving needs. Fast setup and smart control makes engraving a breeze. Advanced fume extraction system gets rid of harmful fumes. 400 x 400 mm work area and 8 mm thickness of wood cutting contribute to your limitless DIY creations. Abundant accessories like rotary roller makes cylinder engraving possible. Our swappable laser heads can also be used as alternatives to other traditional frame engraving machines. They can readily engrave on all metals and on a variety of materials. Mr. Carve M3 make all your creativity come true.